Everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve too many requests on Telegram, you should just go to settings as you see, and you click. Here we'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Telegram app, and you can click in this page. Here you will go to this app, then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will go to storage, you will click on clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another